Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video on some ideas I've been working through. So, if you watch my home training series on YouTube, you'll have seen me doing defensive techniques like the pack cell, tarn cell, lop cell, etc. And I'll do it very traditionally, correct technique, etc. But what I want you to think through, guys, is more so how it's applicable. So I've got my trusty training partner, my jacket, demonstrate. So the idea in a situation is to hit. Okay, you hit first. Okay, so that's a punch. Okay, boom. It's a finger jab. Okay, or whatever it is, palm strike, low hit, kick, whatever. Now these techniques of pack cell, they come in as a result of having to. So the idea is, if I hit, boom, yeah, if that hit's blocked. So there's outward pressure here, is blocked, boom, there's a lop cell, okay? Lop cells here. Okay, that's a result of what the opponent's done. I just, boom, want to hit. Okay, he blocks, boom, move to the side, hit again, and go into this side. Okay, but the idea is you, boom, want to hit. And once you've hit, that hand's blocked, boom, that's a lop cell. So you got tarn cell here. So maybe I'm caught late and the guy punched, boom, yeah, that's the tarn cell. I hit, I come over this side, I switch, boom, okay, and again, yeah, boom, hit that way. We have bong cell. Again, I've been through this before. You hit the guy's pressure on the arm, then you go into bong cell, boom, boom, that's when you hit again. Okay. The idea is, guys, when you get it, an idea is to hit the guy. Whether it's a punch, yeah, finger jab, doesn't really matter, kick, you hit. This thing with waiting blocker technique is just not a good idea, okay? Because you're waiting, the advantage is the surprise. That's one main advantage. And if you're waiting for the guy to take, you've lost that already. So the idea is to hit first. Use distraction methods. Obviously walk away from the thing in the first place. Distracting. Use very non-confrontational speaking. Okay, but the idea is once you're engaged, and hey, look, I don't want to fight. Once you know that person's coming into your space, boom, that's when you go. Okay, and then you bombard that person, okay? You just keep going until it's finished. So these techniques here, they are a result of his action. Okay, they are not what I want to do. I do not want to wait for a guy to punch me and then I perform pack cell and a chop. Okay, I want to boom, hit the person and then hit here, okay? That's the idea. So don't wait for the guy. Use your initiative and go for it, okay guys?